Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number from your Facebook profile. And to do this, you have to click here on these three lines, and then you have to click on your name or on your profile, and then click on edit profile. And after coming here on this edit profile page, you have to scroll down and find edit your about info and click on it. After coming here on this about settings page, you have to find the contact info setup, as you can see, and here is my phone number in public mode, so anyone will be able to see this now, but I want to make it private so no one will be able to see this anymore. So I have to click here on this edit button or icon, and then here I have to click on this icon and click on more options and then select only me. Okay, now we are seeing a lock icon here, so it's indicating us the phone number is going to be private if we just click on save. So let's make it private by clicking on save, and let's see, here it is in only me mode. So now our phone number is private. So I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching.